Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris online. Getting started is super easy. First, you will want to find a good online platform. There are many free options available that do not require any downloads or installations. Just open your web browser, pick a site, and you are ready to go. Look for one with intuitive controls and a clean layout for the best experience. Now, let's cover the basics. Tetris involves 7 unique block shapes, called tetraminos, each composed of 4 squares. Your goal is to rotate and move these falling blocks to form complete horizontal lines across the 10-column wide playing field. When a line is fully filled with blocks, it disappears, giving you points and making more space for new pieces. It is a simple concept, but deeply engaging. To improve your game, focus on some key strategies. Always try to stack your blocks neatly, minimizing any gaps or holes. A common goal is to set up for a Tetris, which means clearing 4 lines at once with a single long I-shaped block. This gives you a significant score bonus. Keeping your playing field relatively flat will also give you more options for placing future pieces. Ready for some advanced moves? Mastering Quick Drop and Hard Drop will significantly speed up your gameplay. Quick Drop moves a piece down faster, while Hard Drop instantly places it at the bottom. Also, learn to use the hold feature, which lets you save 1 tetramino for a crucial moment. Remember, consistent practice is the best way to improve your reaction time and achieve those impressive high scores. Keep playing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.